Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking.
This is our breakfast. This is a better, yeah. That's for breakfast. And you eat this for dinner. Breakfast of champion. So you better come here and Elnido.
Yeah.
Okay, I want this with patis. No butter. I want patis with my lobster.
Okay.
Oyster. Oyster, garlic. Oh yeah, oyster.
Yeah.
Let's go. Look at this puppy. Look at how huge this guy is. Oh my God. Look how pretty. Yes. It's a shame that we have to eat him.
But we must.
But we must, and I know he's gonna. And I know he's gonna be good. Look at the background.
Yeah.
That's awesome, right?
Where you at?
We're in Palawan.
Wow.
Man, I'm getting bit by someone.
Palawan?
Yeah,
It's my first time. Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. And you know, nandito kami ngayon sa
Elnido!
First time ko sa Elnido, and you know, see the background, beautiful. We're cooking by the sea ulit. And ang lulutuin namin ay lobster! And napakamura ng lobster dito, worth magkano to?
Kaching!
1,000! And steam lang namin to ngayon. And yan, nagpapakulo na kami ng tubig and nilagyan na namin siya ng konting asin para lumasa ang ating steamed lobster. Let's put
Okay.
some salt. Yes. Okay. So lalagyan na natin ang lobster. Let's put the lobster. Ah! Oh! Buhay pa!
Oh no! Yes.
Let's steam the lobster. This one is beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Lagyan na natin lahat. Dami.
Bigyan mo na okay.
Yan. Okay. So, tatakpan natin. And then pakuluan lang. Yun lang lulutuin namin. Steamed lobster.
Dami fans talaga.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa King's Place, Buena Suerte, Elnido. And by the way, tatakpan muna natin ang ating steamed lobster, okay? And, syempre hindi lang ako nag-iisa pumunta dito. Kasama ko ang family! And maraming salamat kay Ninang. Ate Rosalie!
Chef, sober engineer.
Yeah! I've been in Elnido because of them!
And we're gonna eat good because of her.
Okay, and siyempre papakita natin yung kung gaano kaganda yung place nito. And tingnan mo naman. Paglabas mo dito sa place, makikita mo agad ang kagandahan ng sea. Okay guys, so habang niluluto natin ang ating lobster, hindi na siya steam kasi wala kaming steamer. So boiled lobster, gagawa ako ng masarap at simpleng Pinoy sausawan ng ating lobster. So ano nga ba yung simpleng sausawan lang? Siyempre, may sibuyas. Okay, so yan. Lagyan na natin sa ating maliit na saucer. Okay. And then, ano pa ba? Of course, meron dapat sili. sili. Paanghang. It's almost ready. Let's put soy sauce. So, another sauce is, lalagyan naman natin to ng suka. Siyempre, Pinoy na Pinoy. And I love suka. Sarap. And then, siyempre, lalagyan din natin ng toyo. Okay, yan yung pampaalat niya, ang toyo. So, ito, toyo, onion, at sili. Pero ito naman, kung gusto nyo ng maasim, syempre, may suka. Ayun. Yun lang ang kaibahan ng dalawa. At may kamatis. Okay? So, ready na ang ating sauce. Let's check our lobster. It's boiling. Okay, guys. So, let's check our lobster. Yeah, it's boiling. Wow! Pero, I think ilang minutes pa. Takpan muna natin. Okay, so habang niluluto natin ang lobster, may isa pa akong lulutuin. Ang ating lapu-lapu. Fresh lapu-lapu. Yes. So, ang luto ng lapu-lapu ay simple prito. Ang hirap, 'di ba? Ayan. Ayan. So, ipiprito na lang namin ang aming lapu-lapu kasi nga wala pa kaming mga ingredients for the sweet and sour and other recipe for this one. So, let's fry the lapu-lapu. Yan. So, dapat mainit na mainit yung mantika. Yan. Alam niyo, dito sa Elnido, and alam niyo guys, ang lapu-lapu na to, ang bili lang namin ay worth 100 pesos. And may partner pa siyang maliit na lapu-lapu. Ayan o. So, see kung gaano kamura ang lapu-lapu dito sa Elnido. Okay, yep. Beautiful. So, fry lang yung lapu-lapu and hintayin nating mag-golden brown. And gusto rin ni Ninang ng fry lapu-lapu. Okay, so habang priniprito natin itong lapu-lapu, i-check naman natin ngayon ang ating lobster. Ayan, see, the look, oh, beautiful. Palito na siya, guys. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Ay, ito yung pag nasipit-sipit lang.
Ayan, oh, ito, different variety of lobster. Sipit-sipit daw, oh. Ang ganda, oh. See? Ang ganda ng kulay pag luto na. See the lobster. Okay. Okay na ito. Okay. Another few minutes guys and all done. Ay, lalagay ko sa ano. Okay, habang niluluto natin yung lobster, paluto na. Meron pa tayong ditong squid. Ang laki, oh. Grabe, ang laki, guys. So, stop natin to ng kalamansi, kamatis, at of course, sibuyas. Ayan. Okay na din.
Asin.
Oo, okay na. Isasama pa to na sa iluluto?
Hindi, wag mo natin.
So, ito na yung naluto naming lobster. Ang dami, oh. Isang plangga ng lobster. Yeah. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Okay, guys. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating lobster. Yahoo! Everyone excited to eat. Eat for breakfast, and this is the fried lapu-lapu worth 100 pesos only. Grabe. Hi guys, so here's the result of our lobster. We prepared yan. And ito yung mga food namin for breakfast. Kasama mo na ang mga with the already we're hungry. Yeah. Ate Rosalie will taste it.
Yeah.
Oh, no. You go. Okay, we do it together. Okay.
Yeah. Come. Okay, so it's tasting time.
You know how to eat that.
Oh no, I don't know.
Just give it to her.
How do we eat it? Wait.
I don't know. Okay,
Break it.
break it. Okay, break. Yeah.
Okay, ready? So we
Ready.
twist.
Twist.
How?
Twist it.
Let's start.
Yeah. I think it's because of just the. Oh, nice. White meat. Okay.
Okay, so
Wow.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
okay.
You got Uncle.
Okay.
Mahal.
Ate Emily, come.
Look.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
The big one.
It's
Oh.
huge.
Okay.
Okay, so
Tanggalin ko to.
wow! It's tasting time.
Okay.
One,
1, 2, 3. Sabi mo.
It's tasting time. Tasting.
Oh, very you gotta nice.
Okay, wait.
Oh yeah. Very good.
So thank you guys for watching, and see you again on my next vlog. More here in Elnido Palawan. Bye.
See you next time when we're hungry.
Yeah.